Hey everyone, so as you can see, I'm at Busch Gardens, Tampa. I have an annual pass for Busch Gardens and SeaWorld and have not been taking advantage of it. And since I have access to my car, I'm going to do everything I can to take advantage of it. So I'm not going to stay here very long. So you can see how cloudy it is. But it was about a 40-minute drive from my house because I came local. I don't think the highway would have been that much faster because I would have had to gone out of my way. So I need to get on this ticket line to have something fixed with my membership. It is definitely gloomy. I'm gonna get a show schedule. I just had my picture taken at the photo key, it's called over here, and that is free with membership here, where at Disney they changed it. Adventure Outpost is customer service.
Vice versa on the other side over here where that.
This to me is my favorite store to buy. I usually buy everything here on my way out.
Go this way, no?
And I'm going to head, when I get in, I'm going to head to the left. I want to go see the birds. I used to come here on field trips when I was a little older than that. So in the middle, where you decide to go left or right, this is the Zagora Cafe, basic burgers and chicken tenders. This adventure photo is where you deal with the photo key stuff. They've always been really helpful to me. That's going back. Looks like Build-A-Bear is closed. The Garden Gate Cafe is straight ahead from here, which I make a turn clockwise from the entrance of the park to my left, which I'm about at 7 o'clock at this point. And if I went straight ahead, it would take me more towards the center. I'm not going that way. That cafe doesn't look open anyway, but there is a walkway to take you through. But the greenery here, the trees and the all the everything. It's just so beautiful. All these plants, they really take good care of the grounds. And I'm still in front of the Excursions gift shop with all the Harvey stuff in it. Peaceful little place to sit down. But look how low the water is. I'm telling you, we are in a drought. It's funny that light equipment has bags on it for the rain. So at any minute, the footage can stop and it'll be because we get rained out. Just an FYI. And that's the cafe, the garden cafe that I just passed. And I'm going to continue around clockwise, heading towards 8 and 9.
Backed out.
Las estamos buscando.
I hate to say it, but I'm very disappointed. The kangaroo area was closed. I believe they were at feeding time, and the aviary at the same time. Now I know there's another aviary where you can go inside and you can feed them and they'll land on your shoulders, stuff like that. But the first two places I went was closed, and now I'm at the flamingo section. There's none. Look how low their water is. It should be all the way up to the bottom of these trees here. It should be up to the bottom of that tree. And look how low it is. It's very sad. I don't know where they are, and there's no signs. You can hear the DJ from over at Gwazi, way over here. All right, here's an explanation. But they don't have this over at the aviary, so I don't know. And it doesn't apply to the kangaroo. Just up ahead is the back of the Garden Gate Cafe that is closed. This is the tent where they would do music performances, and this is the water area for the flamingos, and that's where I was just at. And there's no net here, so any of these birds can come and go. At least there's sufficient water there. And those are real coconuts, that's not fake. Look how cute this is. Just past that wall is Busch Boulevard. That's how close we are to the street, or how close we are when we're driving on Busch Boulevard passing the park. We are this close to animals and park goers. I'm headed this way, and the first thing I'm going to run into is either Tigress or Sesame Street. I can't remember. I have one of these in my bathroom, if you've seen that in one of my previous videos, but it's not nearly as pink as that one. I got it in January 2019, and it's very faded. But these are the machines. No one's used this one in a while because I can't smell the wax. So this would be a Big Bird meet and greet. This little roller coaster here. That snack place is closed. I wonder why. I wonder if it's because of the weather. They were just sing a song in Spanish. I never heard it in Spanish. And here's the splash pad. Okay, that's good. I'm not going to film the splash pad because I don't want to get in trouble for having children in my video, like on purpose or anything. So these cute little rides. There's a carousel back there. Little boats. Oh, that is too cute. I remember bringing my son here. It wasn't Sesame Street yet. I can't remember what the theme was. I have to check my old photographs. Well, you know you're in East Tampa when you hear those sirens. How beautiful.
Then they went back to painting the lighter colors.
Oh, look, hey, look.
Another one.
That one right
It's blue. That one. Those are blue. Comparison, I think. Oh, wow.
I feel that the footage I've taken today is going to be 2 different videos, so I'm going to end the first video right here. I want to thank you for checking out my video and visiting my channel. And if you're interested in more videos like this, I have some Disney videos posted and a couple of trips to the beach and SeaWorld, stuff like that. So yes, take care of yourselves, and I'll see you next time.